If your cat claws at the furniture, or even if they accidentally scratch you, it can get pretty frustrating. That's why some people try to solve the problem by actually removing their cat's claws altogether with a procedure known as declawing. Since this procedure has been so common, many cat owners don't look too much into what declawing really is. So it's important to know the truth about declawing because it can cause even more problems for your cat in the long run. You see, to some people, declawing means simply removing your cat's claws. Already, that sounds pretty painful, but the reality is so much worse. Because declawing is, by definition, the surgical removal of the third joint of your cat's fingers along with their nails. That would be like amputating and removing your fingertips at the first knuckle. Sorry for the mental image, but now you see why this could be a really bad idea for your cat. The recovery is painful, but it doesn't stop there. Declawing can also put your cats at risk for infection, tissue death or tissue necrosis, lameness, nerve damage, bone spurs, back pain. All that is just bad news. It's simply not worth it, especially when there are safer alternatives to stop your cat from scratching in the first place and train them to use their claws only when they need them. For instance, if your cat likes to scratch a particular piece of furniture, try taping some aluminum foil over that spot for a few days. Cats don't like the sound or the feeling of aluminum foil, so if they start to associate that spot with unpleasant sounds, they should learn to avoid that area completely. Next, you could always try the old spray bottle trick, where you lightly spritz your cat with a spray bottle when they start scratching, so they learn that scratching has consequences. And finally, you can also try using certain scents to deter your cat away from their scratching spot. For example, cats hate the smell of citrus, so you can make an anti-scratching spray with citrus essential oils. Simply get a large spray bottle and fill it up with water. Then add 1 or 2 droplets of citrus oil to the water. Be careful not to add too much because cats are extremely sensitive to essential oils. So even if you can't really smell it, your cat has a much stronger sense of smell than you do, so they'll likely pick up on it. Then, just spray the spot where your cat has been scratching, and they'll probably steer clear of that area. Whichever of these tricks you use, they'll be much safer, easier, less problematic, and the best part, they won't cause your cat any kind of pain. That way, your cat can keep their claws, and you can both be happy.